Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought scare bob haircut for you. A scare bob is a jaw length bob haircut that grazes the jawline area. It looks cute in a low bun or a claw clip. If your hair is straight and fine, it's one of the best haircut to create texture and movement, and at the same time keep it classy, simple and beautiful. In summer, cutting your hair short can actually be tricky. It means you don't have the length to tie it up and out the way when it's hot. Scare bob haircut is a perfect hairstyle that has plenty of variation. I have found that bob cut are very versatile and you can create the perfect cut for any hair type. It even fun to wear with effortless ways, creating a trendy and flirty look. Scare bob haircut give you a new look without you having to compromise on the length of your hair. A scare bob haircut is a timeless style that best for any face shape. A jaw length bob is trendy and stylish. One of the best ways to get movement, body and volume is to cut soft shorter layer. The layers help your hair from falling flat. The scare bob haircut symbolizes a confident woman who is all set to dazzle the world with her stylish look. If you have a small or oval face, then this look is perfect for you. Scare bob haircut is among women's favorite and you should try it too. Yes, we know that long hair needs a lot of attention, but it's a good base for so many hairstyles and haircuts. Some people may find this length of bob hard to come up with diverse styling options and get stuck in the trap of. Not the case. Take a look at these styles for a little inspiration. Your bob can be customized to your hair type and textures for the perfect cut just for you. If you want to know about more haircuts and hairstyles and you can use to make your personality more charming, then subscribe my YouTube channel Hairology and stay blessed. Thank you for watching my videos.